Designing your thank you page in courses. From the dashboard, go to courses and open up a course, or if you're already in the courses, go across the pages. So this page is the third page in the sequence through the sale of your course or membership. First they go to the sales page, then they go to the checkout page to buy or purchase your product, and finally they get to the thank you page, and then they're redirected to the course access page. This thank you page can be highly modified by clicking the edit button, which will open up in a new tab, meaning that you do not lose the original page. This is very convenient for you as a designer of your site. We have full documentation on using the page builder, which is what we use to design your pages inside Zenler, inside of the support documentation. Please refer to this for more information on designing pages and setting things up inside pages using the page builder. But this brief explanation shows that you have a main block, which is blue, then you have row blocks, and then you have these element blocks, which are red. Now this page I would leave as it is if you're not used to setting these things up, but you can make modifications. Come into the settings and go into here and, for instance, change the background color. Then we could come into this main block area here and we could change the color of this if we wanted to, or change the alignment, or even set a background image like so. We can easily remove that background image by just hitting the back button inside here, or removing it from the settings. We can change the text in here by going into the settings for each element and choosing the correct color, font size, or font style. You can highly modify this page to suit your needs. One important thing to remember is that there is a dynamic block, and these are in this gold color. This pulls content in directly from your course when you set it up. Be careful when removing this, and if you do remove it, make sure that you test that everything is working. For instance, this button here will take you straight to the course access page, which is a private area which only people who have purchased your course or membership can access. So if you were to delete this out, or this whole block out, people would have no way to get to the course access page. So in that case, if you were designing your own, you would insert a button and link it to this page using this URL here. You'll see now how easy it is to use Zenler and modify your pages to suit your brand and your need, and create stunning looking course pages and thank you pages inside of Zenler.